You greet us with a smile as you direct us to your chair of confessions, where we share our hair hopes and goals and maybe the odd indiscretion. You enjoy a chat, but can tell when we require silence and peace. No questions about our holidays today, please. When we thought we didn't need you and foolishly went solo, you took us back to our roots, straightened us out, restored our mojo. If we ask for something completely different, but leave the length, don't put in layers, and oh, definitely no fringe, you keep your cool and give us a warm glow without taking an inch. When we're desperate to see you, you squeeze us in and get right back up on your feet. Even though you've only had 2 minutes and 14 seconds to relax, check your phone and eat, you ace a complicated colour correction like a boss to leave us looking lit. And if circumstances change and life gets tough, you've got our backs, offering up the perfect fit. You're there for the highlights, the lowlights and the grey, from blue to blushing rose, sometimes all in one day. You lift us up when we're down, turn on the heat when we want to hit the town, encourage us to embrace our natural hair with all its movement, or create an individual look that makes quite the statement. So thank you for always being here for me, and her, and him, and them. You give us locks to love, and we're proud to share our affection for your hair and attention. Share the love, hair the love.